Alright, welcome back to the channel. My name is Lian Duan. I'm a content creator based here in Maryland. My goal with the channel is to be a resource to DevOps creative thought, tutorials behind the screen content, and honest podcasts. So if you're into that sort of thing, make sure you subscribe to join the creative crew. It really goes a long way towards supporting this channel, and it makes sure that you never miss out. All videos related to Markdown and YAML files are in my GitHub. The links are in below. I start new videos for Kubernetes Security from DevOps view. Run unsecure Docker image will cause Kubernetes cluster is not secure. So today we are going to talk about how to reduce Docker image size to enhance Docker image security. Video topics is my demo environment detail. Why do we need to reduce Docker image size? How to reduce Docker image size from 3 aspects. Find the minimum base Docker image. Reduce OS packages. Use Docker multistage build. Run hands-on demo multistage build on Java-based microservice. First topic, my demo environment detail. My Docker is on Oracle Linux version 8.4. My Docker version is 20.10.6. Run docker space version command is able to retrieve your Docker version. Monitor React apps, Spring Boot apps, and Redis with permissions. Has my Spring Boot app demo Docker image detail, and how to launch the entire system. We move to next topic. Why do we need reduce Docker image size? The big image should be avoided because they increase both potential security vulnerabilities and the surface area for attack. Other reason, small Docker image has better performance than big Docker image. Next topic, how to reduce Docker image size. First thing, find the minimum Docker image. Find the minimum Docker image means find minimum base Docker image. What is base image? A base image is the image that used to create all of your container images. Base image can be an official Docker image, such as Debian, OpenJDK, etc. Or you can modify an official Docker image to suit your needs. Or you can create your own base image from scratch. How to find the minimum Docker base image? Usually, you will go to your company private registry to find it. For my demo, I use Docker Hub to show how to find it. I have 3-tier apps for leasing, adding, deleting, user first, and last name. React UI is a single-page application in my app. Java microservice is based on the Spring Boot framework. DB layer is Redis. I'll show how to find a small GRE Docker base image for Java microservice. GRE means Java running environment. Let me search OpenGRE as an example. I open the OpenGRE homepage in my browser. Let's open all the tags. Search tags keyword is 8-GRE. First result is 8-GRE Slim Buster. 8 means OpenGRE version. There are 2 flavors, one is JDK, other is GRE. JDK is the entire developed kit for the Java. GRE is only for the running environment. Slim show only contains the minimum package needed to run Java, and is missing many of the UI related to Java libraries. Buster is Debian Linux version. If you see the Alpine image is based on the Alpine Linux project, which is the operation system that was built specified for using inside containers. Also, if you see the EA means earlier access. Based on the naming convention, you should understand other tags. I will select use the 8-GRE Slim for my image. Let me close the browser. There is some resource link, hubdocker.com/openjdk. It's the JDK homepage in Docker Hub. www.debian.org/release has Debian release detail. GitHub.com docker minor library/openjdk/tree/master/8 include Docker's file. There's a good way to learn how to write professional, efficiency, and official Docker file. When we find minimum Docker base image, next step, reduce OS packages. To avoid install of recommended packages, I add flag no install recommend in my Docker file. Do not install debug tools such as curl, VM, etc. and admin tool such as sudo. For example, if you install sudo command, you may run into a vulnerability CVE 2021-3156. The vulnerability allows regular user use sudo command to retrieve root user in the vulnerable host machine. We finish OS level Docker image size reduce. Next, we jump into app level. Use multistage build to reduce image size. One of the most challenging things about building image size is keeping the image size down. Multistage build is used to reduce image size. What is multistage build? If there are multiple from statements in the Docker file, the pattern is called multistage build. Multistage build has multiple from statements in Docker file. Each from statement can use different base image, and each of them begins a new stage of the build. You can selectively copy artifacts from one stage to other, leaving behind everything you don't want to in the final image. Now that you get underlying concept, let me go over my multistage build for a Spring Boot microservice. The Docker file has two stages. First stage, run maven 3.8.3 OpenJDK 8 to build my Java source code to runnable jar file. The command keyword is from base image as stage name. Second stage, build running final image. Base image is OpenJDK 8 GRE slam. The key command is copy from stage name, source file path, and target file path. Their file size compare. Tag v7 is a two-stage build result. The file size is 240 megabytes. Tag v7 all-in-one is a regular build. The file size is 501 megabytes. You see the size a huge difference. The evidence shows us how multi-stage build keep the image size down. Latest topic for today's video, hands-on demo, run multi-stage build. Remote login to my box, open the Java source file. The build command is a regular Docker build command. The command is docker build no catch. The tag name is len.training / Spring Boot demo. The version is v7. Run it. You'll see the first stage kick in. Since we use no catch, you'll see the maven build image download related dependency Java jar file. First stage built successfully. The log shows in step 9 of 21. Second stage build is start. Finally, second stage built successfully. Let me push my build result to Docker Hub. All topics are completed. Today I shared how to find the minimum Docker base image, reduce package size, and implement multi-stage build to reduce Docker image size. Thank you for watching the video. I hope it was help, and it was, do not forget to like it. If you want to be notification whenever new videos come out, then subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or something not clear in the video, please post them in comment section below. I'll try to answer. Thank you and see you in the next video.